So guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to delete a YouTube channel permanently on your phone. So for you to do this, you need to go to your profile down here, tap on your profile icon down here. Once you tap on that, so come over to where you have account, then proceed and choose the account you want to delete. So I want to delete this account that says America's Hidden War. Once I click on that, then I'm right on the account. So the next action you need to do is come to the profile down here, like click on the profile icon down here. Once you click on that, come over to where you have account again, then proceed and click on manage your Google account. So once you click on manage your Google account, then right here you search for where you have data and privacy. Can you see data and privacy right here? So tap on it. Once you tap on data and privacy, then you scroll down till you see delete a Google service. So you can see it right here, remove data from service that you no longer use. So click on it. So once you click on this, then they ask you to put in your PIN to confirm you are the owner of the account. So I just do that right away. So I just verified I'm the owner of the account. So you can see right here we have download your data, we have YouTube. So right here you can also delete your YouTube right here, and we have Gmail. So I want to delete my YouTube channel from this Google account, from this Gmail account. So I'll just go ahead and click on delete right here. Once I click on delete, so you can see what they say. They say you choose between I want to hide my channel or I want to permanently delete my content. And you can see the channel name right here, America's Hidden War. So I'll choose the second one, which says I want to permanently delete my content. Once I click on that, then just ensure you take your time to read all these so that you don't do any mistake and delete the wrong thing. Basically, your channel will be lost on YouTube. So ensure you read this carefully and be sure that you are on the right channel and also you are on the right email. So I'll just proceed and click on delete my content. Okay, this I should check all this. Let me check them. So once I check them, delete my content, and this I should type in my email again to confirm I'm truly the owner of this account. So delete my content right here. Can you see updating? Your content is being deleted. And basically that is how you get to delete your YouTube channel on YouTube. So let's go and check if our channel still appears. It might appear, but after a while you will not see your channel on your profile again. So let's go and check. Let's come to YouTube. Okay, still showing. So after a while this channel will not show on your YouTube again. It means it has been deleted permanently. So I believe you got value, guys. If you did, ensure you subscribe to this channel, drop a comment, and also like this video. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.